Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is joining us from the premises of the Supreme Court. Shreya, take us through all the details of what happened in court, whether any conditions have been imposed, because the ED's counsel, the Solicitor General in this case, has said that Arvind Kejriwal should be strictly restricted from speaking about his case while he campaigns.
Well, Paulomi, we just got a word from the lawyer of the Aam Aadmi Party. He particularly suggests that it was a very brief oral order. They will have to wait for the written order to actually be uploaded to understand that whether there are any specific riders that are also attached as conditions for his interim bail. As of now, what they do know that he will not be allowed to speak on his case and that his release will be till the 2nd of June. It will be operative till the 2nd of June. Whether or not there is any bail bond specification, all of these details will only be cleared once they receive the entire order. As of now, the bench had only particularly assembled to give the order orally. They are waiting for the full order to come out, because only after that, remember, Paulomi, they will also be able to proceed with the further requirements for him to be released from the Tihar jail. They are expecting, once the order is out today, they will proceed with the entire process. If not today, then surely by tomorrow we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal walking out of the Tihar jail on interim bail.
Absolutely, a huge relief there for Arvind Kejriwal and for the Aam Aadmi Party. But remember, the Enforcement Directorate is all set to file a charge sheet naming Arvind Kejriwal as an accused. That's what sources have been telling India Today. My colleague Kanu Sharda, who was inside the courtroom when that order was pronounced, is now joining us live as well. Kanu, take us through what all happened in those few minutes since the bench assembled at 2 p.m. this afternoon.
Well, Paulomi, it's a very, very short order which was pronounced by the top court orally only. And the details of the order are yet to be known to us. But the lawyers were seen opposing the condition. The ED lawyers were saying that, no, the condition should be imposed that he should not speak about the case and he should surrender forthwith on 2nd of June when the interim bail gets over. So the interim bail comes for Arvind Kejriwal for just 20 days to campaign, because the court has categorically made it clear that the elections for Delhi is happening on May 25th, and 48 hours prior to that, the campaigning stops. So there is no point why the interim bail condition should be extended, because Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who was appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, wants the interim bail to be extended till June 4, when the election results will be out. But the court has made it very, very clear that they will not extend it till June 4, and he will have to surrender till on June 2 itself. But the conditions imposed by what will be the conditions imposed by the Supreme Court is yet to be out, because the Supreme Court has clearly said, when risen for the day, has said that they will pass a detailed order. So a detailed order copy is still awaited, and we'll get to know only when the order gets uploaded on the Supreme Court's website. But for now, there is a huge relief for Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party from the Supreme Court.
Absolutely, absolutely. Kanu Sharda, they're bringing us all the latest and the updates from what happened in court. Again, we're still waiting for that written order. When it is uploaded on the Supreme Court website, our colleagues Kanu and Nalini will tell us exactly what sort of conditions, if any, have been levied and imposed on Arvind Kejriwal while he is out on interim bail. But for the moment, huge relief coming in for the Delhi Chief Minister, who has been allowed to go and walk out of Tihar jail on interim bail in order to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. Remember that Punjab and Delhi, where the Aam Aadmi Party government is in power, are yet to go to polls. So this could mean a boost for the AAP's campaign. Arvind Kejriwal has been allowed interim relief. He is out. He's going to be out on interim bail till June 1st. On June 2nd, he will have to surrender. His counsel in court today, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, did try to seek relief till June 4th, asking for surrender to be slated for June 5th, because results are to be declared for the Lok Sabha elections on June 4th. But the court refused to hear that, because the court categorically stated that election campaigning technically would end 2 days before June 1st, which is when the 7th phase polling of the Lok Sabha elections to happen. Our colleagues Kanu, Sharda and Shreya continue to be live with us. Kanu, how soon can we expect? Okay, we'll try and get Kanu and Shreya. Just hold on for a moment. Amit Bharadwaj, my colleague, is also standing by at the Aam Aadmi Party office where leaders have already started arriving. You earlier saw Gopal Rai there arrive at the Aam Aadmi Party
Volunteers of AAP
headquarters.
were working for Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, stepping out of Tihar jail. The interim bail has been granted, and these are the AAP workers who were raising slogans in support of Arvind Kejriwal. जिस बात की उम्मीद थी, इंतजार था, वो हो गया, बेल मिल गया.
बिल्कुल 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 ये सच्चाई की जीत है. हमारे नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की बेल हमारी लड़ाई जो हम लड़ रहे थे उसकी जीत है. आज आम आदमी पार्टी के जितने भी कार्यकर्ता हैं उनके अंदर पूरा जोश आ गया है. अब देखना, आप दिल्ली की सातों सीट आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया अलायंस के खाते में जाने वाली है इंशाल्लाह.
आप लोग बिल्कुल खुश दिखाई दे रहे थे जैसे पता चला कि 1 जून तक के लिए सही, लेकिन जमानत मिल गई आपके नेता को.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बड़ी खुशी की बात है और पूरी पार्टी के लिए, पूरी दिल्ली की जनता के लिए एक खुशी की बात है. पूरी दिल्ली की जनता जो है 2 करोड़ जनता, जिसको अरविंद केजरीवाल की मुख्यमंत्री के तहत जो सुविधाएं दी गई उन सब के लिए आज खुशी का दिन है.
कैंपेन करने में कितनी आसानी होने वाली है?
अब अरविंद जी कैंपेन करेंगे और मोदी के जबड़े से सातों की सातों सीट दिल्ली की छीन कर लाएंगे.
7
सीटों पे बिल्कुल मोदी के जबड़े से छीन के लाएंगे.
नारेबाजी कर रहे थे लगातार जैसे ही बिल की जानकारी मिली आप लोगों को.
बिल्कुल खुशी की बात है, इसलिए तो नारेबाजी बनता है ना.
तो अब क्या जेल का जवाब वोट से जो नारा है उसमें तब्दीली आएगी?
देखिए, अरविंद जी बाहर आए हैं और जो भ्रष्टाचारी लोग हैं जिन्होंने अरविंद जी पे ऐसा आरोप लगा, वो लोग अंदर जाएंगे और बहुत निश्चित 4 जून के बाद वो लोग अंदर जाएंगे.
Okay. So AAP workers saying it out that this is the moment they were waiting for. Arvind Kejriwal stepping out of the Tihar jail, and they are happy. They are waiting for that signal from their party leadership, top leadership, as to when they can begin the celebrations. But these are happy faces. This is the moment they were waiting for. Arvind Kejriwal's interim bail has been granted, and this is certainly a shot in the arm, major morale boost to the AAP workers, and they are claiming that this will translate into 7 seats in the Lok Sabha as far as Delhi battle is concerned, and it will also motivate the morale of India Alliance across the country. With video journalist Pawan Kumar, this is Amit Bharadwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.